Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Shiba Inu will be used to pay for everything on Twitter. Elon Musk is making big changes. News from Shib: the price of a Shiba Inu was down 8% on November 7. This was true for all coins. Most of the top cryptos prices went down this week because of a bearish start. This included the top meme coins, which had a great run at the end of October. Shiba Inu prices did show some rises on the hourly chart, even though the color was blue. This video is about Shiba Inu, which can be used to pay for everything on Twitter. Elon Musk is making big changes. News from Shib: make sure to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see more expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inu. Let's start the video right away. As of late, aggressive Shib burning and the buildup of Shiba Inu tokens have helped the price of meme tokens. Shiba's most recent report showed that in the past 24 hours, there were 40,128,196 Shib coins that had been burned. Shiba Inu's burn rates had gone up by a huge 1,800% by the end of October. Notably, the average monthly burn rate of around 4 billion was seen up until September. Since then, though, the Shib burning process has stopped moving forward. Even though the Shib price has been going up since the end of October, its burn rate has changed a lot. Shib's 24-hour burn rate dropped by almost 58% on November 8th. This burn made it so that over 410 trillion Shib tokens have been burned. The goal of burning tokens was to lower the supply, which would change the price and demand. But this hasn't always worked out for Shib. CoinMarketCap shows that the price of Shib is now $0.1093, which is 7.77% less than it was yesterday. In any case, Shib's 24-hour sales were $471 million, which is 12% more than the previous day. The price of Shib has been held up or pushed back by the $0.100 mark. Shiba Inu's daily price chart shows that the Shib price has been falling for the past 3 days, falling almost 16% from its level of $0.120. The social sentiment score for Shib was good, but it hadn't changed much. Another thing is that Shiba Inu's social activity dropped after the price dropped. A small rise in Shib's daily trade coin market cap was a good sign. However, this could also mean that Shiba Inu sold off as price momentum went negative. One interesting trend, though, was that Ethereum whales are still buying a lot of Shib, even though prices are going down. Stats on whales showed that the top 2,000 ETH whales held the most Shib. They have more than 102 million Shib coins. Even though ETH whales could help the Shib price go up, it would be important for regular people to back it up as well. If you look at Shib's address shares, you can see that the number of holders went up by 53.94%. The number of Shib ships, which were very important during the 2021 rally, dropped by 25.14%. If people who own Shibs can make things go up, there is a chance that the Shiba Inu costs $0.120. The $0.100 level, on the other hand, is now a support level. If that level falls below, there may be more sell-offs. Satoshi Kusama, who is one of the most well-known people in the Shiba ecosystem, recently talked to fans. The person who made Shiba Inu writes a blog post about new NFT, Shiba Eternity, and other news, and a lot more. Last week, Kusama shared a post with a player's guide from Shiba Eternity that lets fans see what the game is really like. New NFT were also shown off, along with details on where buyers can buy them. Shiba Eternity is a card game for mobile devices that is based on the famous joke coin and can be downloaded right now. Kusama began this update by saying that the game had been downloaded by more than 250,000 people. The post talked about how long the development team worked to give players the best experience possible. On the other hand, Kusama hinted at a future competition for the game that would take place in real life and would be announced later. The post also showed off the first player's guide for the mobile card game. Kusama says that the guide is a live thing that will change and grow along with the game. Along with the guide, there is a collection of stories that gives the game more background. In the Shiba Inu developer update, Kusama, along with the guide and information on Shiba Eternity, brand new NFT were also announced. The post shows that Kusama wants to make new pictures that bring Shiba's unique trip to life. As a result, AI created the NFT, which were then shown with a link to buy them. When asked why he used AI, Kusama said, "AI has a place in the Shiba ecosystem, and it is important that I know what its current capabilities and limitations are." The post ended with a promise of more neighborhood news in the future. Along with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu has been the most popular joke coin. Since last year, Investors have become more interested in joke coins than ever before, while buyers are still interested in Shib, even though the bear market and cryptocurrencies are still going strong. Recently, there has been an unheard of increase in whale behavior near Shiba Inu. Whales bought trillions of Shib instead of billions. During their secret trades, the whales have also moved, sold, and bought back Shib. Some whales that haven't been named do these things on a daily basis. Recent statistics on whales on the blockchain shows that anonymous whales have moved almost 775 billion Shib in 3 transactions. From what Etherscan says, unnamed whales have moved close to 775 billion Shib in the last 24 hours. The money was moved between the wallets of well-known users. From what we know, 485,794,498,147 Shib, 190 billion Shib and 100,099,682,471 Shib have been sent. From the information, it looks like a person sent Shib from one wallet to another through Binance Exchange. There was another deal where bank bought 100,099,682,471 Shib from Binance and put it in a cold wallet. The person also sent Crypto.com 190 billion Shib, as shown by the facts. The cryptocurrency market has dropped since it recently regained a world market cap of $1.10 trillion. This is mostly because of the recent drop in cryptocurrency prices, which didn't show any signs of picking up speed. There has been a lot going on today. At first, there was a cold war between FTX SBF and Binance's CZ. The CEO of the biggest cryptocurrency market said that Binance was selling off its FTT holdings, the original token of exchange FTX, as we recently learned. At the same time, companies began taking Ethereum and other altcoins out of FTX. The steps listed were enough to make people in the community feel pessimistic again. FTX's own token was trading down at the time of press, as were other cryptocurrencies. Because of this, the total value of the crypto market dropped by 2.7% in just 24 hours. Even though people in the market were scared, unsure, and had doubts, it was still Shiba Inu that the 2,000 biggest Ethereum whales owned the most. The value of all the Shiba Inu tokens owned by this group of whales was more than $102.2 million on Monday. They also had DeFi tokens worth $62 million and $71.5 million, such as Uniswap and Maker. The top 2,000 Ethereum whales also owned other top cryptocurrencies, such as Link, Matic, and CHC. The official Shiba Inu developer team said that they were making a new Twitter account that will only be about the upcoming Layer 2 update, the Shibarium. A tweet sent out on Saturday said that the Shibarium Net Twitter account is for all things Shibarium, such as protocol changes, network news, and other useful information. We're now following at Shibarium Net on Twitter. At some point, Shibarium Net will turn into a place where people can talk and find information about the Shibarium network and protocol. After this, the Shib army is split into 2 groups. Some crypto fans say that Shibarium should take as long as the